Welcome back to Partickhill Station. I'm Charlie. So this is something different today. I'm doing a bit of work on my tenement building. As you can see, it's well weathered, and I'm just moving into the next step of attaching some strip LED lights. So let's see how that goes. And I've just installed some LED lights. Now we'll need to see how it looks when the walls are on. This is actually the front of the building. And I've got the lights on in the back, but I can always rotate the interior. That's not an issue. Anyway, on to the next step. And this is the actual front of the building. And yeah, those lights are just a little bit on the bright side. But that's a good start. And also I have to finish the roof and the chimneys. Next chore I have to do is paint these beams. Now, if you remember, I said they will go on the underside of the bridge as the main supports, transverse supports. So these are H-beams. They're fairly substantial, and I think I'll have 5 or 6 of them. So what I'm doing is I'm painting them a kind of grey, dark grey colour, because they'll be exposed to steam and smoke and grime. But I'll leave the top side without paint just to make it easier to adhere to the foam core. Makes up the main roadbed on the bridge. And I might add a little bit of rust effect, just a little bit, in line with the rust that is evident on the main bridge spans. I bought this at George's Trains. They said it will rust anything, so we'll give it a shake and see how it goes. Tried it on some rails and it looks pretty good, so we'll see how these beams work out. I think I'll try with the dry brush effect. We'll see how that goes first. Maybe I need a bit more. It's difficult to see, but I think it's staining it appropriately. Kind of a rust effect. Yep. Yeah, that looks pretty good. We'll get the rest of them done. Well, here's the bridge once again, and there are the support beams. I've painted and weathered the underside of the bed and the beams themselves. I may put some powder on them later, but I think that's really coming together now. So I hope you enjoyed these couple of little projects, and easy to do, and thanks for dropping by to watch them. And remember to give me the big thumbs up, you know how it works. And see you next time here at Partickhill Station. Bye for now.